Hey guys, how are you all? Today we are going to discuss something really interesting about the Moms Co. The Moms Co is especially a kind of a brand that is updated for the moms out there. And to review their products, they've sent me across this amazing PR kit. So I have got this PR kit from them, but to let you know, this video would be really an honest opinion about what I feel about the product. So I will be doing a demo, also giving you a little update. These ingredients which they have put, they are highly important for you to know. So basically I've done a lot of research on their ingredients, what it does to our skin, and how it can be helpful, and when and how to use them. So for that, please keep on watching. Let me just show you. Yeah, this is the package. So we are gonna take this face wash from this range. So now coming directly towards the packaging looks really nice. It is very sleek, and I am actually happy with the kind of this locking thing they have given us. So it is very okay to travel with this kit. So now the time is there, we are not traveling, but if we want to travel with this kit, this is really important and a nice product. So now talking about its ingredients, obviously it has no toxins, parabens, sulfates, SLS, mineral oil, and phenoxyethanol, which is really very harmful. So you have to try and see you don't have EDT and phenoxyethanol in your skincare regime. These are really harmful chemicals. The new chemicals and the new skincare regimes that are just emerging out, they are not having such ingredients. So always keep in mind to check the ingredients before buying something. Okay, talking about this as a brand and the ingredients. So as I said, I will directly tap it and attack the ingredients, and also let you know what the ingredients does to your skin, so that you have a better idea about whether you should buy it or not. So niacinamide is really very nice for your skin rejuvenation. Your skin's active cells just helps to completely eradicate the dead cells, and it helps in skin replenishment and rejuvenation. Bergamot. So I am actually reading from this packaging, the ingredient. I've also made a list of what it does to your skin. So it's very filthy, the handwriting, but I have actually done the research to let you guys know that these ingredients will do what for your skin. Neem leaf extract is very nice for the antibacterial properties. So it has bergamot, that is antibacterial. It has lemon essential oil. So lemon essential oil is really nice for your skin. Why? Because it has anti-aging properties. It is very nice because it just completely eradicates all the bacterial cells, dead cells from your skin. Also, it has mandarin essential oil. Now it also helps in rejuvenating and renewing your cells. So this particular face wash is natural. First of all, it has all the ingredients that helps in cell rejuvenation, which I think is really nice and really great. Without further ado, let's go and see the demonstrations. Up we have this amazing natural daily face toner. So this face toner has the lemon extract for sure, because of the lemon photograph in it, and it says it tightens pore and evens skin tone. So we are gonna see any which ways if they actually do that. And it has niacinamide. I told you it's really nice for your skin. It has vitamin C, okay. It has green extract and aloe vera to smooth. So they have also, what we put in. So they have also mentioned and classified what they put in, and they have shown us the vitamin C, the niacinamide, the green extract, and what's next? The plant AHAs, the plant's AHL and witch hazel to exfoliate the skin and remove excess oil and tightens the pore. So that's really nice. I mean, the brand actually telling the people on what ingredients they put and also what it does to your skin. I mean, you know, that's really nice for some brand like that. And I just liked their font, you know, somehow I just like the kind of presentation it has. It is really simple in a very nice simple packaging, has this you know, thing, and the toner is such water like mixture. You just see it's so water like that it just completely goes to your skin. It's a range that is of 226 rupees. This face wash was of 348 bucks. So I mean, and the moisturizer is also somewhere that in that range, so completely they are available in 969 range. So you know, spending 1000 bucks and getting such ingredients is something that is really nice. So now I'm gonna do an honest opinion test. I'm gonna see the ingredients, and I have also googled it as I showed you over here. I've also googled it and written that down like a notes on which ingredient does what to your skin. So this face toner has purified water, aloe vera leaf juice, it has green tea leaf extract, which is really nice as a form of antioxidant, and it helps in creating a rejuvenated skin tone. Also has an antibacterial effect. Also it has a sugar maple extract. Now sugar maple extract is a natural form of AHA, which has malic and tartaric acid. So now what malic and tartaric acid does to your skin is just completely eradicates and pushes back the dead cells that your skin is secreting out. It also pushes back all the, you know, faded dark circles, dark spots, that underlying issues that you have. Actually helps you to eradicate that. Now I'm gonna talk about one ingredient which just made me a fan of this product. That ingredient is ethyl ascorbic acid. Now I mean, I have watched so many videos, I have seen so many people talking about the natural stable form of vitamin C that should be present in the chemicals or in the face wash, toners or whatever it is. If you are having the stable form of vitamin C with niacinamide, it's gonna give you natural effects, anti-aging properties, cell rejuvenation properties. It will also give you a lot of benefit in cell growth. This chemical has the ascorbic acid, which really blows my mind. So let's demonstrate the toner. Let's go. So now talking about this natural Vita Rich face cream. So this face cream is also a part of the ingredients and the part of the skincare regime that has been recently launched, which is the face wash and the toner. So this has vitamin C, B3, B5, E, high hyaluronic acid, anti-pigmentation, even skin tones. And what we put in, they also have, you know, put it over here, which I think is really nice. They said that it has vitamin C rich cacao plum, which improves skin radiance and reduces appearance of wrinkles. High hyaluronic acid, which I already told you, it is something that improves your appearance and fine lines. In my previous video I was talking about it only. Chia seed oil, rich in omega fatty acids to restore skin moisturizer. The second thing is the Terminalia fernandina fruit extract. So what does Terminalia fernandina extract does to your skin? It is an antioxidant. It helps in just completely tightening your pores and helps in skin rejuvenation, and also, you know, tightening up the pores inside your skin. Let's demonstrate this moisturizer over my skin and let's see the results. I I mean the kind of ingredients they have put it in this range is top of my list, and they were actually one of the items that I was looking for. So yeah, that's something that I would really recommend, and that's a yay from my side. And I will also be using it for 2 to 3 months, and if you are following me on Instagram, I'll give you an update on that as well. So yeah, please stay safe, stay healthy, and please consider subscribing my video for better updates, and I'll join you the next time.